In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving average two-line cross strategy in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine, as long as you can see the main chart area and the toolbar at the top. First, let's open the indicators menu. Look toward the top of your chart for the button labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a panel where you can search for and add different tools to your chart. It may cover part of your chart, and that's completely normal. Inside this panel, you'll see different categories. Since we're adding something that can backtest entries and exits, we're going to work with the strategies section, not just regular indicators. So in that panel, click on strategies. This switches the list to show only built-in and custom strategies that can be applied directly to your chart. Now, with the strategies list visible, look for the one called Moving AVG two-line cross strategy. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the panel and start typing Moving AVG two-line. As you type, TradingView will filter the results to help you find it faster. Once you see Moving AVG two-line cross strategy in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you do, TradingView will apply the strategy to your chart. You should notice two moving average lines appear, along with visual markers for entries and exits, and a strategy tester panel usually pops up at the bottom of the screen. That panel shows backtest results based on the default settings. From here, you can fine-tune things if you want. To adjust the settings, hover over the strategy name that now appears at the top left of your chart, then click the settings icon next to it. In that window, you can change inputs, like the length of each moving average, the type of moving average, and other parameters. Take your time to test different values and see how they affect the results in the strategy tester. Once everything looks good, remember you can always remove or hide the strategy later by clicking the eye icon or the X next to its name. If you'd like to get started with TradingView Pro and unlock these tools for yourself, use the link in my description to sign up.